Hello class. Today we will be using the piano keyboard to enter MIDI data into Garageband. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to play Jingle Bells using Synthesia. Start by opening Synthesia and click on Play a Song. Then click on All Songs and find Jingle Bells. Click on Right Hand Only under the section that says Practice the Melody. Now, the program will wait for you to play the correct note. The numbers on the blocks represent what fingers to use. When playing piano, your thumb is 1. Practice the melody of Jingle Bells many times until you can do it from memory. The loop feature is a useful tool and can be found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. For such a short song, I recommend just looping the entire song, but if you're struggling with a certain section, you can just focus on the part that you're struggling with. Once you're able to play the melody of Jingle Bells, start a new project in Garageband. Open Garageband and in the New Project screen, select Empty Project. If you are prompted to select a track type, select Software Instrument Track and click Create. Before we start recording, I want you to select a drum loop to play along with. Selecting a drum loop will help us to play better in time and reduce the amount of editing that we'll have to do later on. Drag your selected drum loop into the track area and extend the loop longer than you think you'll need it. You don't want the drums to drop out in the middle of the recording. Make sure that you have a count in measure selected in the record menu. Now click record or press the letter R and you'll hear 4 clicks before recording begins. If you're having trouble playing in time, try adjusting the beats per minute in the LCD screen. Once you have a good recording of the melody, you're ready to start editing. Click on the scissors icon to bring up the editor window. Find where it says Time Quantize and select 8th note. Now, everything should be aligned to the timeline in GarageBand. At this point, you're free to experiment with different sounds for the melody by accessing the sounds library, swap out the drum loop you originally selected with a drummer track, add additional loops, or anything else you want to experiment with in creating your own arrangement of Jingle Bells.